Welcome to another tutorial of Oppora AI. In this video, we are going to explore how you can use our CRM to keep a track of all your deals and opportunities. So to access the CRM, I will click on CRM. So in here, you will see an overview of all the accounts and contacts you have created. You will be able to see the pending tasks and total opportunities, and this is an opportunity overview graph. You will be able to see like the value of the deals, at which stage they are in, and you can also see a sales overview graph. So let's go to accounts. So these are the accounts that we have created before. So we have the HubSpot integration. So if you already have data populated into your HubSpot CRM, you can easily export those data into Oppora. Or you can also export data from Oppora to HubSpot as well. So these are the accounts that we have created. So there was a manual option to create an account, or you can also create accounts from lists as well. So if I go to a list and if I click on here, there was send to CRM option, which will add this company has an account in our CRM. And while setting up the campaign, we also have an option. So as you can see, we have an option, so it will automatically create the opportunities when someone replies. So you can mention if someone gives an interested reply, that prospect will be automatically added to our CRM. So let's go back to the CRM again. And this is the list of the accounts. If I go inside it, you will see all the recent activities and also the email logs as well, and the activities, and you can also keep a note of all the things that you have interacted with the client. Also, all the email logs will be shown in here. You can keep a track of all the calls that you have done, or if you have any tasks pending, or if you want to create any task, you will be able to do that as well. And also, if you schedule the meeting, then you can also keep a log of all the meetings in here. So that is the CRM accounts part. In the contacts, it is a list of all the contacts inside those accounts, so you will be able to add new contacts under an account. Similarly, you can create opportunities based on your sales funnel. So these are the sales funnel that I have created, but you can customize these as well. So you can create new stages or just drag and drop based on your use case. You can also drag and drop the stages, and similarly, you can create tasks as well. So you can keep a track of all the tasks, and you can also assign tasks to your team members.
So that is how our CRM works. So once you have all the interested leads close the deal, you will have to use our CRM. So you can keep a list of all the accounts and all the contacts in those accounts. In the accounts, you will see all the recent activities, your email logs, you can add notes as well, and also keep a log of all the meetings or calls that you have done with the client. And based on your use case, you can create opportunities based on the sales funnel that you're using. You can edit these stages, and also you can create tasks and assign tasks to your team members. So thank you guys for being in this video.